Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can weed weak spots inside of Monster Hunter Wilds with your bow, okay? Now, as I explained in previous tutorials, you want to target usually, the weakest parts inside of your monsters, okay? And these are usually the head, the tails, the wings, and things like that, okay? So after you perform multiple attacks, to the same part, you're gonna have this icon here, this red icon, which means that you have inflicted a wound, okay? Now, once you have done that, what you want to do is you want to take your bow, the weapon that you actually use in order to inflict this wound, and then you want to aim into this gun here. And usually, because you want to inflict the maximum damage, you want to perform a charge shot, which means that you want to hold your left click and then you just want to release, okay? And this is basically gonna, inflict a ton of damage, okay? Something that you can also do with this very same bow is you want to press shift, okay? And now you want to basically perform a charge shot, okay? So you're gonna hold your left click and then you're just gonna release for a second, okay? That's pretty much it. And after you've done this a couple times, you're gonna destroy this gun, okay? Thank you so much.